Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Kajabi marketing emails step by step clearly. To authenticate your Kajabi marketing emails, start by logging into your Kajabi account. Once inside, navigate to the settings section in the left-hand menu. Click on email within the settings options. Locate the email authentications section. Here, you will see instructions for setting up DKIM and SPF records. Open a new tab in your web browser and log into your domain registrar's website. Find the domain that you want to authenticate for email marketing. Look for the DNS settings or DNS management section. You will need to add two types of records, DKIM and SPF. For DKIM, copy the value provided in your Kajabi account. Return to your domain registrar's DNS settings. Create a new TXT record. In the hostname field, enter the name provided in Kajabi. In the value field, paste the DKIM value you copied earlier. Save the changes and confirm that your DKIM record is added. Next, return to your Kajabi account for the SPF record. Copy the SPF record value given in the email authentication section. Back in your domain registrar's DNS settings, create another TXT record. In the hostname field, enter your domain name. In the value field, paste the SPF record value you copied from Kajabi. Save the changes to the SPF record. After adding both records, it may take some time for the changes to propagate. To check if your records are set up correctly, use a DNS lookup tool. Input your domain name and verify that both DKIM and SPF records appear. Once confirmed, return to your Kajabi account. In the email authentication section, click the verification button. Wait for Kajabi to check your settings. When successful, you will see a confirmation message. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.